Hey everyone, today we are attending the Funnel Growth Summit with our friend Richa. Hi Richa, nice to meet you.
Hi everyone, nice to meet you.
Yeah, what let's do is in this vlog, we will share our top 5 takeaways, okay? You tell one and then I'll continue,
Sure,
okay?
that sounds great.
Awesome. What was your first takeaway, Richa?
So I think the first takeaway for me is to create a compelling offer, right? It's to utilize the strategy of show, not tell.
Absolutely. For me, the first thing is have the right intention and intent. Like give your 100%. That's what Rahul sir was telling, right? If you don't give your 100%, it is very difficult. And with 100% intensity, when we do it, we automatically make things done.
Absolutely, Akshay, I completely agree with that. And towards that, the second point for me is like doing deep research, right? You should really understand your audience well. What are their pain points? What are their challenges? Only then you will be able to create an offering which can address their challenges and their problems.
Absolutely.
So yeah,
I love that. And the second most important learning is having a close network, right? Like someone who is very close, as Rahul sir was telling, his close network is like his parents, Dhiren sir, Ammi, and they are the close to proximity, Saurabh sir. And now I was feeling I also have to create my proximity, right? Like the top 5 people so that I can share the wisdom and the knowledge and everything, how we can make a world a better place to live.
I think I completely agree with Akshay on that, and I think a very important pointer is to have your community, right? So as a women's life coach, I have my women's community. When you're going through a low period, when there's no one who's cheering for you, it's very important you have your community which can lift you up so that you can then get the strength to face the external world. So you need your that safe space, that cushion to go back to, right? Whenever life throws a curveball at you, so that you are able to really bounce out of that.
Absolutely. And my third biggest takeaway is as Saurabh sir was telling, the best way to print the money ethically is having copywriting, learning the copywriting, having the copy so persuade you with all the goal, with the problem, with the agitated situation, how we can solve it, how the person can reach their goal much faster with within the less time, without wasting more money, and sharing them the opportunity cost.
Yeah, so I think I completely agree with that. It's very important to have a very strong copyright. And I think one more thing which I really am taking back is like the so what formula, right? Like suppose you're selling something, or you have some offering, right? But then so what, right? So what is the benefit, right? What's in it for me? It should be very, very clear to your audience that what is in it for them, right? Once it becomes clear for your audience, then they will keep coming back to you. So it's very important for you to categorically say what's in it for them whenever they are you're offering any product or any services for that matter.
Absolutely, I love that. And the next biggest takeaway is something which I learned from the host, Amisha. She was asking the right questions before the event, right? Like everyone, give your 100%, write down the 3 things what you want to learn, because we may get muddled or we may get confused if you don't know exactly what are the 3 things you want to accomplish. That questions help me to focus and get the solutions and answers at the event.
And I think one very important thing what Akshay was taking from that point is that it's important for you to be clear. And one of the things was one person asked this question that I am not able to believe in myself. I don't believe in myself, right? How will I go out there and convince other people about my product? So I felt that the answer which was given by Saurabh was amazing. What he was saying that we really have to cultivate this belief in ourselves, right? If we Dove has run this advertisements in which Dove asked people about how they look, and they asked about the person's other people about how they look. Suppose first, that means let me explain clearly. First they asked me how I look, so I said I look like this, or I rate myself on a scale of 1 to 10. Then they asked other 5, 6, 7 people. So the ratings that the people are giving to themselves were always lower than the ratings being given to them by others. So what happens is others perceive us more better or higher, but our own perception in our own eyes sometimes is lower. So we need to work on our perception in ourselves, right? That is why I also teach the women that what do you think about yourself, that matters the most. So I think that is also one of my big takeaways, that we need to really uplift ourselves in our own eyes.
Absolutely love that. it was so amazing. Thank you, Richa, for coming.
Thank you so much, Akshay, for inviting me to this talk and
Yeah.
giving me this opportunity to share the nuggets of wisdom with your community.
Absolutely. And guys, you have to attend to these kind of events. That is how like you'll be able to grow. And see you soon. We are going to share you like more takeaways. That's all for now. Bye bye.
Bye.
See you all.